Twitch just released some pretty massive changes to the affiliate program this week, and a lot of streamers have mixed feelings about it, to say the least. They've essentially opened up the monetization features from the affiliate program, like subs and bits, to pretty much anyone now, and this just rolled out to all United States streamers as of about a day or two ago, with other countries being added in the future. To dumb everything down to make it super easy to understand, basically, as soon as you start streaming on Twitch day one, you make an account and you can opt in to be able to access this stuff, which I'll show you how to do in just a second, and then you'll basically get a little wallet that you can use on Twitch to spend on bits and subs to other streamers. However, if you decide to hang on to your balance, you can then withdraw it to cash to your bank account after hitting affiliate. So you don't have to spend it on Twitch if you don't want to, but you'll be able to have the option as kind of seen here in this little screenshot. So let's take a look and see how this is all set up. So if you have your Twitch account and you're not currently a Twitch affiliate, all you need to do is go in the top right corner and click your little icon and then go to the creator dashboard. So I'm on my second account, so it's like my dummy account, so I'm not an affiliate on here. This is basically just a blank account. Then if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you're gonna see a new option, not the alerts one, get out of there. It's gonna be the monetization tab. So we're gonna click on monetization and we're gonna click on setup. You might not be able to see this in the Twitch app if you're using this on your phone. So you'll either go to a computer or you can open up Twitch in a browser like Google Chrome, Safari, whatever. Just make sure you don't have the Twitch app installed on your phone. Otherwise, it's gonna try and open up through the app. It's a whole pain in the butt. I know, wish it was easier. But if you just temporarily uninstall the app and then you open and view it in desktop mode, if you have the option to, and the little 3 vertical dots, you'll be good to go. Anyways, you're going to monetization and then hit setup. Then from here, you'll be prompted to sign up for 2-factor authentication. It's a mouthful, right? It's 2FA, which basically just makes your account safer. So if someone tries to hack into your account, they need to verify it through your phone or a Google Authenticator app or whatever. So you can follow that process if you haven't already. So now the big change is that you'll be able to unlock access to Twitch Select monetization and community building tools. Now this is where a lot of people get mixed opinions about it, because after you complete the onboarding, which is this thing right here, you'll get access to streamer tools such as subs, bits, and channel points, and more. So we're gonna click the list and you'll see we got a bunch of stuff here. You'll see that you have all streamers. You'll have all streamers after they complete the onboarding, which I'll show you in a second. Then you'll have Twitch affiliate and Twitch partner, all in this nice little handy dandy chart. So there was a lot of questions when I made my first video on this, but yeah, you actually don't have to go and complete the onboarding. Now, obviously you don't get access to the monetization like subs, bits, whatever, but if you see when you do complete the onboarding, you'll get access to subs, you'll get access to bits, aka cheering. You're not going to be able to use the bits and extensions. You're not going to be able to use custom cheer modes, and then yada yada yada. You get all this other stuff like payout, which you're not going to be able to pay out unless you hit Twitch affiliate, aka sending money to your bank account. But the cool part is after you do complete the onboarding, you actually have access to sub emotes and sub badges and founder badges, which is nice. And I guess you just can't use outside of your own channel for the sub emotes, which I guess is kind of like a fair agreement if you're not an actual affiliate yet. And you can just scroll down here and see all the different things that you'll have access to. You have different hype trains you can have access to. You don't have access to goals, which honestly is kind of weird that you have hype trains and not goals, but I digress. You got leaderboards, drops, charity you can't do. I guess Twitch hates charity. That's cool, I guess. You have stories, channel points, predictions, polls. Can't do sub-only streams. You can raid, and your VOD storage is 7 days, which is the same as just being a regular pleb. So all in all, after reading this chart, you're going to notice that you get access to pretty much 90% of the monetization features and then missing that 10%. So like the goals, the charity, and a couple of other things. So this may be a hit or miss for you still. And real quick, if you're interested in learning how to stream, grow your stream, and get real viewers, and you're tired of streaming to zero, then check out my free streamers masterclass in the description down below. I have my 8 years of experience all packed into that little class, which will tell you everything that you need to know. So go check that out if you're serious about becoming a streamer. So if we actually go back to the creator dashboard and that monetization tab we were just looking at, if you do want to complete the onboarding, all you have to do is click on the monetization onboarding here. And it's going to have you fill out a bunch of stuff that I can't fill out because I'm already an affiliate on my main account. But simply, you'll just put in your contact information. So it'll be all here. You have everything there. Then you'll sign the streamer agreement. Then you'll do your tax interview, aka put in your taxes, because yeah, the money that you make on Twitch does get taxed. So you're going to have to be able to do that, which I know is a headache and scary for a lot of people because the government doesn't like to make anything easy, especially here in the United States. So I completely empathize for that. And then you'll choose your payout setup, which if I'm guessing, you'll probably only have one option, which is going to be the wallet, unless they mean the payout setup when you actually hit affiliate, which is usually PayPal or bank account. So once you fill out all this onboarding, then you'll get accepted into the little little mini affiliate deal where you get access to all these different tools. And like I said, you're not going to be able to cash that money out that you make until you hit affiliate. So once you hit affiliate, and I believe once you make over $50 in your account, then you'll be able to cash out to your bank. If you're an affiliate and you have under $50 in your account, I believe you cannot cash out until you hit 50. I believe that is the limit and threshold that you must hit, which means you'll either be able to spend it on Twitch before then, or you can just wait until it hits 50 to cash out. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. I know a lot of small streamers were a little disappointed or had mixed feelings just because some of the people that hit affiliate feel like this diminishes their accomplish a little bit. But truthfully, I think it's a win for everybody because just hitting affiliate doesn't mean you actually have a successful stream. It just means that you hit the bare minimum in order to monetize. Doesn't mean you're gonna have any more people come into your stream. You literally just got a sub button and a couple other tools. But I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments down below. But if you guys are ready to take your stream to the next level and actually grow, because I know so many people struggle with growing their streams, then watch this playlist to the side of me. I have a plethora of videos showing my own personal strategies on how to growth hack your way to the top. So give this playlist a watch. My name's Cody, and I will see you in the next one.